change and me change it up and me raise the bar.
A few moments later.
Lord God, Alkaline lost all of the DJ them in a dance hall. You see Alkaline alone, Alkaline headline all of the show.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How are the latest news them like?
But what going, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man. You know things said people. See? Yeah, man, people. You see me? So you see there, you don't know people. Alkaline are going to perform tonight. You understand? Antigua, you don't know Shellings. You see me? You don't know one Media Fox pan up. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know La Playa. And that's all La Playa. You see me? Yeah, man, look out for Vendetta boss to perform in Antigua tonight. Tonight at the show, people. It's about to be a history moment. Is what I try to say? But first and foremost, I have to big up Kere. You see me? Big up the boss lady. Big up the best manager as a sister. You understand? Because I see something I want to media, people. I'm saying I have to come address it. You understand? Because it's like, them don't know when it comes to music, it means business. You understand? Yeah, man. So look here now. You don't know Alkaline I walk through the airport and a bag of thing. You don't know link up with the promoter. You see me? You don't know Alka and the DJ. Is it? Yeah, man. But something I go forward up, people. When me hear people are talk about, and you know what, I see it in me, I say, you know, say, them don't take the business serious when it comes to dancehall. So look at now, people. These are the videos, see? So you don't know the boss lady Kere, I march out. You see me? I go in at the vehicle. You don't know the Vendetta boss there at the back. See? Alright, now. So see there now. You don't know Kere take the suitcase. The thing is that one not understanding now. Don't feel like say this music thing and artist thing or some joke thing. You understand? And first of all, I'm gonna ask you a question. Tell me which entertainer in the world right now, I talk about cross all genre, where you see when it comes to a male artist, right? Where you see them sister and manage them for over a decade. Tell me which artist you know, established artists you don't ever see. Because we not understand, you know, you have family different from somebody where I work for your boss. You understand? You have to understand, say, Kere are the manager for Alkaline. It no matter if she am sister or what. It's when it comes to business, doing shows and them thing there, sister thing have to put one side. Now you're looking at a boss and a worker. Management. You understand? So people say, yo, him sister take the suitcase. What you're seeing right here, you're seeing a manager doing her work. You understand? For the boss. And that you don't get wrong, you know. Una look on it as a sister way. And that's why none of them, none of uno couldn't work with no family member. Because why? Una look say, oh, I'm a sister this. I saw it different. No. You have to deal with it like how you employ somebody. And that's why you see Alkaline, sister, and him like mesh over the years. You understand me? Like when it comes to business and all of them little thing there. Like, yo, them things serious and a joke thing. You understand? So true Kere take the suitcase, you know. Everybody else say, yo, Alkaline, you don't understand. She's a manager. And that's why I try to tell you, say, you know, you couldn't have a sister with a manager. No. May I tell you? Because you know what? You'd end up that's uno be the worker and the sister would be the boss. You have to understand, you know, bro. See? You have to understand, say, Kere don't say it already. Kere says she work for Alkaline, although he's her brother. But she look upon him like a boss. You understand? Him employer. And that is why, when it comes to business, over the years, it's the two of them. Because when it comes down to business, either video shoot or shows or everything, that's why I'm say call it. Remember, you know, that's why Alkaline say, yo, call him office. You see what I'm trying to say? So one of my things say, oh, yo, him. No. Kere do our job. Remember that. I always, me do a lot of videos. I big up Kere. You understand? You know why? Because me never yet see a artist where have a sister where I manage them for so much years. Never yet. You understand? Me never yet see that. You see it? So it's a good look right now. It shows say, yo, Kere know the job and she gonna execute it. You see what I try to say? So I have to big up Kere all the time for this. For, yo, just know say, yo, this is all about the business. It's not about no brother and sister thing. You see me? So them say, she take the suitcase from Alkaline and I say, yo, this and that and Ray. That's why I try to show and say, you couldn't be an artist manager. You understand? Because you pre. You understand? Remember, you know, at the end of the day, Kere I work for Alkaline. And Kere as a sister want to take the thing serious and make sure say her brother govern. You understand? So she have to make things and to make sure say things in place. When new rules are keep, she have to make sure say, yo, everything get done, everything execute, yeah, ready. You understand? Boss lady. You see me? So look at now, people. So you don't know, she take the suitcase. Alright now. So this them are saying, look at now. See, Alkaline open the door, she half open it, yeah. See, going at the car. You have to understand, say, this is a manager working. This is not Alkaline sister working. Are two different things I look on. You understand? Manager work. When you see that, manager. So she have to make sure, say, the artist who she have work for, secure. Him going at the vehicle, every little thing. This is our job. But who not see it as job, you know, when I look for, oh, I'm sister Ray. Our job this. You understand? Yeah, man, this is how she get paid for. Because if you not pre the thing like how you that go at your regular job as a manager, it nah go work. Me I tell you, it nah go work. You see me? That's why Alkaline say him keep it in the family. Because what? Him family mean business. You understand? And that are the difference. With this family, a business they mean. That's why them stick together over the years. You understand? Because a business. You see it? It's like a family business. You know, you'd have some company like you'd have what you call it? Leeching them, and you'd have some other is a family, the Matalands them and them little thing there. This are like that. But only thing you don't know, Alkaline is an artist, it's a family business. You have him two sister them. You see me? Kimmy and Kere. You see, so you know say, yo, alright, if Kere now work, if Kere do that, you know say Kimmy go with him, Ray. Simple thing, it's just a business. But people treat as, yo, Ray, open door, we not understand, man. You understand? That's why when it comes to artists, we not take artist thing as business. Branding and all of them little thing there. That's why they not survive. We not always a try for, you know, a manager always a fall out. Be a different manager. For over 5 years, when I go through 10 manager already. Why? Because we not take the thing serious. You see what I try to say? This is a business I go on here, so. You see it? Yeah, man. So, me have to big up Kere. Big up the Vendetta boss. Big up the Vendetta people, them. You understand? You know things that are one media facts on the app. You see me? But remember this. Remember say Alkaline are going to Antigua tonight to perform. I go shell it down. You saw a bar shell down Guyana and him shell down Barbados, Antigua. Here we go. You understand? Cause look here. The girl am go sing out the Lala and the girl good. And to go viral again. You understand? Yeah, man. So people, you don't know Governor Bleach. You might talk something and make you see what I go on. You see me? Yeah. Make you hear what I go on. See?
Lord God, Alkaline lost all of the DJ them in a dance hall. You see Alkaline alone, Alkaline headline all of the show. I want you to tell me which artist in 2026 have the most bookings, headline the most show, in a 2026 right now.
But why I mean I know, you know. I know, you know. Only somebody alcohol we see. You see me? Yeah, man, alcohol show for days, man, a headline, man. Straight till October. You understand? Maybe more go kick in or so, but you don't know. You can know when an artist a mash up a place, is it? Yeah, man, the bookings them out. Headline them out. You understand? Yeah, man, because you don't know. Most I show them what Alkaline I do. A headline. You understand? Most time shows them. We show him I do, I might line it. So, you see me, Dream Weekend, when him Summer Stage, all of them thing there. All of the show them. Barbeers them do, Guyana, yeah, him a headline it. Man mash up the place. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know him have over Dominica, him have over Greece. No show, man. Show them for days, man. French Guyana, whatever. You understand? Yeah, man, it take a loud people, man. I tell her that, you see me?
Alkaline lost all of the pussy them in a dance hall. You know see Alkaline video a Bahamas. A Barbados a play straight. Then I remember Bumbleclad still. Me not see them a play on Bumbleclad Sunfest. Yeah, sure. Yeah, then sure Sunfest. Play on YouTube the night and 2 days after. But nobody now watch Sunfest again. Everybody I watch over Barbados. Let me tell Alkaline something about what. Alkaline cramp every pussy in a dance hall. Remember me telling you, Alkaline are the leading. The Alkaline are the artist song for 2026. Girl Good are the biggest song in a dance hall.
That's facts. Tell them Beachy. Yeah, man, girl good and mash up the place, man. May I tell you that? I think more see a next girl song we can rave with girl good, but me not see none yet. You understand? Yeah, we're gone boy. Half of the year already. You see me? So we're gonna see what go on. Yeah, man.
I said, still a shake down the place. I ain't ready to shake down the place. I want the Bumbleclad doing. Only tell me which song I can get girl good. Comments and tell me which song other than girl good right now. From girl good drop. Which song other than girl good right now? No song. Girl good are the biggest song in the 2016. I like Alkaline are the youngest superstar. I say Alkaline are the only superstar in a Jamaica. We don't give a fuck. We not talk about Shaggy and Sean Paul. Them man are mega star. Shaggy and Sean Paul and them man are mega star. Alkaline lost every Bumbleclad artist. You know, so you're not hearing nothing about all the artists that was the year about last year before. You're not hearing nothing about Alkaline alone. Alkaline alone. So make my father go on out there boy my drop blood clot song. You play with your life. You play the career. Fucking idiot. You wait till Alkaline ready for now. And the biggest Vendetta boss. Come on the beach said that. Without a doubt.
Yo, dog, Jaja, yo, man, it's a dance all nice, you know. Dance all nice. I tell you that, yeah, man, we talk about music, too. You see me? But, them not see nothing yet, you know. Yeah, man, them just a hip and a yapping, you see me? Yeah, man, them not see nothing yet, people. Remember me tell you that. You see me? Yeah, man, because anytime Alkaline ready, you know that, go. You see it? Yeah, man, because you don't know. Alkaline are a man right now. I tell you that. You see it? No matter what they want to say. You see it? Mad thing.
Yo, me come again. I see my father drop one song. And them I saw Alkaline this. My father have come strong on that. The Bumbleclad doing man. Yes, I see him lyrics say my father recycle about body something. My father have come strong on that, man. Now when the Vendetta boss come out now. I say my father say him bad on in this and that. If Alkaline know did this song for. Say something about Alkaline I call a little name Blind Boy or Alka this or Alka that. You just sing a song them. I can't hear any man sing that too.
Yeah, man, when me hear the song, man, but people, I don't know that. A deck in a man in here, brother. You understand? Deck in a man. Brother, a party and a whole of vibe, bro. Them think there's some joke thing, brother. You understand? Some joke thing that. Me hear some people at all, bro. I mean, I say, yo, this all waste of time, brother. A man a them song. If them want to say that and way. Bro, that song there. Yeah, my father a good artist, but I don't know. Sometimes I just waste of energy that dog. I deck in the morning, brother. A party and a whole vibes right now, dog. Yo, John, people, we I tell you, dog. I tell you. I joke thing. My father do him thing, brother. My father start get back some local traction in the dancehall business. Him just go and do him thing. You see me? Yeah, but I don't know. The song. Ah boy. That I just one song with you. Alright, I want dash your song that. You see me? I really don't damage you. You see? Leave now give too energy.
Eh? I can't foot a hype, I can't anybody else sing that to me. I don't think Alkaline has sing that to, because you're not so bright a blood clot. You know, I make that mistake, my brother. So all the out there say Alkaline. You know, I sing a song for Alkaline. Kevin no big and bad than Alkaline. Just call Alkaline name. I say something we can know, say Alkaline name that. Or then call Alkaline, so. You know, do nothing. Grumble on our blood clot, grumble. You wait till the data boss. You wait till the letter boss dripping up in all the clothes, man. Some blood clot box one I go get. When you stay there, about.
Yo, Jano, people. What do you think, people? This song with my father drop. Come here for ask you, you know. What do you think? Alkaline or what? Because I don't know, brother. Like, you know, my father sing him song. You don't know the sing J thing. But people just waste of time right now. We a party right now. We live just so drunk. You understand? Yeah, party. You see it? Yeah, man. Although me not drink again, but you don't know, a party same way. You see it? Deck in the morning. You see me? Brother, them think they are joke thing right now. You see our shows, we have so much shows, brother. You understand? After we left Antigua Monday, the next weekend, we have fly come to Jamaica for Dream Weekend. You understand? I know nothing normal. Then we take a week break, forward back again. You understand? I think we have a French Guyana. Also? Yeah. People. Yeah, it's my time for this life. That's some joke thing, you know. That's some joke thing right now. Book out right now, brother. Book out. You don't have time for that right now. You understand? But big up the people them same way. All the people them who support me, the facts. You understand? Yeah, man. You don't know a mad move. Is it? Yeah, man. I have to big up one of my brethren, you know. One blood call. My always I say, yo, me the fuck, so you know, yo, what one? I say, brother, sometimes I have flag on me. I forgot. You see me? So big up one blood call. Is it? Yeah, man. I don't know, I'm a general that. Is it? But people, remember now, tonight, go man. Antigua. You understand? As me say, big up Kere. You understand? Go on, do what you do, Kere. Is it? Yeah, man. Sometimes them wish them have a sister like you. That's why them bad mind you. You understand? Yeah, man. True. Your sister for a great artist and you manage the artist good. Yeah, man. The artist career does raise the bar. I that them not like. You understand? Yeah, man. I that them not like Kere. Is it? But big up yourself still. You don't know. Mad thing. You don't know. Data world. Is it? But people, respect, you know, stay safe out there, you know, keep out of trouble. You understand? You don't know, I want me the facts. Funny up. Yeah, man. Mad thing. That is it.